how to play games on Snapchat. Hey everybody, welcome back to our channel. In today's video we're going to learn how you can play games on Snapchat, so make sure to watch the video till the end. So if you open up Snapchat here and then you come to the chat page and there's a certain person, let's say you want to play the game with. Previously we used to be able to find such option over here by coming to this rocket icon here, and then we would be able to play the games. But unfortunately you can see Snapchat has actually removed such type of feature lately. So they have removed completely the game section. There is no way for us to actually play games on Snapchat anymore. So I hope this video helped you understand the question. If you have got any more queries, feel free to leave them down below. Thank you for watching till the very end of this tutorial, and see you soon in the next video.